Okay. Now this comes from there, plugs in right there. And this has 5 screws in it. I've took a couple of them out already. Make this go a little faster. And this is the part that's broke right here. And it fits right there. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you look there, here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And they sit there. And they got 2 little pegs that go down in those 2 holes there. So it looked like I'm going to have to go to the Old Faithful super glue, because it looks like those 5 need to have their own little contact. And it don't look like they're being soldered. So I'm going to try to hope that they'll work that way. If not, we have to go. I got some solder somewhere.